Hello everyone friends, on channel Velo. Today I'll show how to make a gold farm in Minecraft Bedrock. For this we'll need these items. We don't need this. There, but not in such quantity of course. First we place the sunflower where it's facing. Now we build our portal. For this, place 1 block and 9 obsidian blocks on top. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And make cubes. This is how it looks. After that, place a regular block here, put a repeater. Oops, it should face this way. Next, place 4 blocks here. Put an observer here, now 2 here, close it up. Then place a lever here. Put trapdoors here. Next, build this structure this way. Place lava here. Our portal activates. Then, on this side where our farm will be, dig out 2 blocks like this. Yes? So here we place blocks that you want like this. Yes? And here, pour the water. Right here. Pour water down here. It should flow perfectly like this, right to the end. Next step, I accidentally... Let's dig 20 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there shouldn't be water here like I have. Therefore, we need to remove the water. Right? And here we'll make a room. I did it roughly like this. This is how we fall down. Next, we dig out 2 blocks here. Then we place 2 chests, yes, and a hopper here. So we put dirt here accordingly. Next, take the glass and place it like this. Then we place the glass like this. Yes, put it here like this and place a slab here. Then we make this thing here. But here we simply put ladders, of course. Right? This gives us access and lets us activate our farm. To do this, go here, press the lever, and soon piglins will spawn, slide down this water, and fall into the trap. But I forgot to put water in the dispenser. Without water, it won't work. Now let's turn it on and it will start working. Let's wait. As you can see, piglins are starting to appear occasionally. Now they'll begin to spawn. There, they're falling down. This is how they die here. And we'll collect gold nuggets here. That's all. This was Velor. Goodbye, everyone.